Hi, it's Oma, and today I have one of my books from when I was little, and it was written before I was even born. It's lost its cover, but it's still a really fun book. It is called Come On, Play Ball. I don't know if you have this, maybe you can find it in the library, but it's okay. If you don't have Come On, Play Ball, I will show you all the pictures. So come on, let's read a story. I am small. You are tall. Come on, play ball in the hall. I like the hall for playing ball. Look out! The ball will hit the wall. Run and catch it. It will fall. I will not let the red ball fall. I see a tiger in the hall. A tiger is sleeping by the wall. Look at me. I catch the ball. Now I throw up high. You throw too high, too high, too high. It is too small inside our hall, too small for running and playing ball. Go out, go out. The big blue sky is very good for throwing high. I throw again. I throw it high. I throw the ball high in the sky. I see a bee and butterfly, but I do not see our ball up high. I see the clouds and sun, but I do not see our ball up high. Hippo, do you see our ball? It went up, but it did not fall. It went up very, very high, high up in the big blue sky. I did not see your sky-high ball. I did not see your ball at all. I do not fly up in the sky. I stay down on the ground. Goodbye. Now we are high up in the sky. I see 3 birds go flying by. One bird is thin, one bird is fat, one has ribbons on her hat. But I do not see the ball we tossed. Can it be our ball is lost? I see you. Do you see me? Oh, we see you in the tree. Do you see the ball we tossed? We tossed it high. Now it's lost. Your big balloon is all I see. It looks like a big red ball to me. Donkey, do you see our ball? It went up high. It did not fall. Yes, I see your ball. I saw it fall by that red wall. Many balls go over walls, red and green and yellow balls, but most of them stay on the ground. They do not move till they are found. Look! I had the ball we tossed. Our ball is found. It is not lost. Now I say to one and all, come on, come on, come on, play ball. And here is the last page with them taking their ball, I hope, outside to play. So that is Come On, Play Ball. That's one of the books that I had when I was little, and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what book you would like me to read next. And remember, Oma loves you.